there! Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to do an empty apartment tour of our new place, and I'm going to take you along with me. It should be relatively short, just kind of like chill video, because there's like nothing in it. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys anyway since the last apartment video did so well. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. Hi there! So yeah, that's the tour of the apartment. Sorry this is a super short video, but there's not really a lot to show just yet. It's completely unfurnished. We need a sweep. My feet are disgusting, I'm not going to show you. But yeah, we still have a lot of cleaning to do, and we have to get everything inside, but I thought I would just show you guys the overall space we're working with. It's still an older building. Surprise, it's Boston, it's going to be an older building. But Douglas and I are really excited to move into our new place soon, and hopefully we'll have everything situated by the end of the month. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will post that in a couple weeks. And yeah, if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks. Bye.